In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Google Sites after publishing. If you've already published a site and need to make updates, don't worry, Google Sites makes it simple to revise and republish. First, head to sitesgoogle.com in your browser and sign in if you aren't already. On the homepage, you'll see your projects. The quickest way to find what you need is to look under the Recent section, which shows the sites you've worked on most recently. This saves you from digging through folders. Click the project you want to update to open it in the editor. You'll be in the familiar drag and drop workspace where you can edit text, swap images, adjust layout, or add new sections. If you want to change the site's name, click the name at the top of the editor and type the new title. This updates how the site is labeled in your dashboard and can also appear in the site header, depending on your theme. Renaming the site won't change the public URL, so your existing link will continue to work. Before you push changes live, take a moment to double-check everything. Read through your pages for typos, make sure links work, and confirm images are aligned. It's a good idea to use the preview option to see how your updates look on desktop, tablet, and mobile. So visitors get a clean experience on every device. When you're happy with the edits, look to the upper right corner of the screen for the Publish button. That's where you control what the public sees. Click Publish to start the update. If this is the first time publishing the site, you'll be prompted to enter a web address, also called the site URL. Choose something short and recognizable. If you've published before, your address will already be set. Just verify it looks correct. If the address is already taken, try a small variation, such as adding a short keyword or a dash to keep it readable. Finally, click Publish once more to confirm. Google Sites will process your changes and push them to the live site. In most cases, updates appear right away. If you don't see them immediately, try refreshing the Publish page or opening it in a private browsing window to bypass cached content. That's it. Anytime you need to adjust content, repeat this flow. Open your site from